Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create an SOP in ClickUp. So most of the time you are doing everything by yourselves and you want to create an SOP. But if I tell you that this ClickUp awesome software has its own AI tool to do this for you, because I'm using today a brain AI from ClickUp and you can see that as your assistant. So right now, if I'm going here to my Ask AI right here, so we select right here Ask AI, we can fill in now what we want to do. So let's say, hi brain AI, can you create an SOP for my project team space? We ask this to brain AI and I can show you what will happen after this. So right now you see here all these steps that the brain AI is doing. So this will cost us a few seconds until it's done. And then right now he's telling us, I created the SOP document for your team space project and edited it under project one list. So now we select right here this file. And if you can see at project one, we are having now a team space SOP, standard operating procedure, with all the details that we wanted. So right now, if you can see, it's just a complete file right here with all the SOP subjects that we wanted. So right now, if you go here to team space and we select here at docs, the team space right here, we can find it, copy paste it or throw it wherever we want it. But this is how you can create an SOP in ClickUp. So be smart, use your brain AI because that is your assistant that can help you with literally everything. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. If you want to use a pricing right here on ClickUp, please check out the link in my description to use it for yourselves and support the channel. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.